welcome back for Slay Sunday. For this week's look, your girl is going to be doing some purple. Okay, so I have some palettes here that I'm gonna use. Ooh, I have a lot going on here on this desk. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my Be Perfect Carnival palette. Yes, I'm gonna go in with this purple right here in the shade Wasted. Right here. Also, by the way, these press-on nails, they have lasted me a little over a week now and they are still here. We love to see it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with that purple. I'm just gonna use that in my, as my transition shade. Oh, pigmented already. Pigmented already, we love to see it. Okay. Okay, and next I'm gonna go in with my Bad Habit Pretty Poison palette because there are so many purple tones in here. It's literally a purple palette. Isn't that so pretty? Yes. I think I'm gonna go in, what I wanna do, I wanna go in with this deep purple shimmer right here in the shade Intoxicated. Yes. And I'm gonna put that on my outer corner, outer V area of my lid, something like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I think I need more of a packing brush for this. Yes, okay. I'm just gonna use this brush. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty. It's not quite as metallic as I was hoping it would be, but it still is very pretty. Also, this palette was very inexpensive. I think it might have been like 12 bucks, something like that. I'm a little sad though, because like Bad Habit Beauty, like they were known on the like Shop Hush website where they would have really affordable dupes of high-end palettes for like cheap, and the quality would be pretty nice, and Bad Habit was one of those brands. I'm a little sad because they're out of business now, so you guys can't purchase this anymore, but this was actually an original palette by Bad Habit. So like they had done a lot of dupes before this, where they decided to branch out and make their own palette, and I really think the quality is nice. So I'm kind of sad that you know, the brand is no more, because I really did think they made nice quality stuff. Because like I have a Huda Beauty palette dupe, I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills dupe. Like, it makes me sad. But okay, so that's this shade. Let's see, what do I want to do next? Okay, next I think I'm gonna go in with my Jackie Anastasia palette and this shimmery purple shade right here. Oh, it looks so pretty. I have yet to use this one yet, in the shade Shookington. So let me see. I might use my finger for this one. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, Honestly, it might not be a whole lot different from the other shade that I just used, but it is super pretty. Okay, it's pretty though. I thought it would come off like a little bit lighter on my lid, since the other shade looked so dark on my finger. But again, it's still very pretty. It's still super pretty. I like that it really shows up nicely. Sorry if I'm totally covering up my face. Oh. It's the only thing when you have your nails on and you're trying to do, trying to put this on my lid. My nail gets in the way. Yes, that is pretty though. Okay, and next, what do I want to use next? I think I'm probably gonna put something in my inner tear duct. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go back into the Pretty Poison palette, and I'm gonna use this color, Nightshade, right here. This like pretty, like kind of lavender color. I think I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. All right, and this is the final look, you guys. I went ahead, I put that lavender in my inner tear duct, and then I just put on some liquid liner and mascara. I didn't do lashes today. I thought about it, but I didn't. And then I just put on this little Essence lip gloss, this kind of frosty pinkish color. Put on the hair, jewelry. Now we just gotta sit and we are all good. Woo. I'm also gonna start doing this thing because I also filmed like a little mini TikTok tutorial as well. I think I might start doing that too, you know, just to expand, you know, maybe capture another audience and their little quick short things. So I might try that. I might make that a thing too. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look and this video. I really like how this turned out. I really don't hit purple looks a lot, but it's nice. It's nice. I have to hit it again. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll be back next week with some more. This might have rounded out my Juicy Fruit series. I'm not totally sure. I might have something new for y'all. We'll see. All right. Bye, you guys.